Welcome to Outdoors with the Common Man. Let's go shoot some shit. Don't forget that like button, subscribe. It's all painted out now. Beautiful little guys called fiddleheads.
No matter what, I've had a very successful season. You know, I've done things in this season that a lot of people haven't ever done. You know, I've taken 2 bucks this season. I've taken one with my bow. I've taken one with the 6.5. Yes, it was a button buck, and it happens, but I did. I've put multiple geese in my freezer, multiple ducks. I put a turkey in there in the spring. All in all, I had a very good 2020 hunting season. I can't complain.
Well, we already had them on the top. And then when you get up close, really start to see those details pop through. So now she has a girly camoed gun. Voila! Goose body. Last light of the day. Got him. When you're out doing stuff like this, see this little mush? Bolt action. Just slide back. Found some mushrooms I wasn't sure of.
Okay, now we got it warmed up.
Well, we made it back. That was fun.
This here is the 8-point that I shot this morning.
Had 7 birds come in. They've gobbled hard this morning.
The season has come to an end for us, guys. I really appreciate you joining us for the 2020 hunting season. And hopefully come springtime, we'll have another great start to episodes for you guys with snow geese and turkey and fishing, and we'll just keep going. Maybe even this year, guys, we'll go ahead and get ourselves a good video of us going out frogging or something for you.
And leave your comments and tell us what you want us to do or try out.
So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button. As he said, leave your comments down below. We always like to hear from them. So catch you guys next time. Outdoors with the Common Man. Real videos for real people. See you next time. Don't forget to stop by Worthington's for all your firearms and ammunition needs. When you stop by, mention Outdoors with the Common Man, and receive a 5% discount off in your order. Thank you. Hey guys, if you like good food, good times, and good people, don't forget to check out the Montague Inn in Montague, New York, on the top of Tug Hill. Mention OCM or Outdoors with the Common Man, and also mention Tug Hill Annie, and you guys are going to receive a 10% discount on your stay at the hotel, or your food bill, or your bar bill. Just mention Outdoors with the Common Man and Tug Hill Annie.